So my X3 is just over a year old now and has over 2,000 pretty hard kilometers onto it. It recently just went in for its second service at GoPowerSports in Yarmouth. They didn't really find anything wrong with it except for maybe a couple loose bushings on the front sway bar here. Other than that, they just told me I had bad lower knuckle bushing. I think that's this guy right in here. And he also said some radius joint bushings. I think he said this side. I haven't jacked it up and wiggled anything around yet. But yeah, I believe he said it was these bushings on the radius rods and this lower knuckle. So I priced some knuckle bushings and radius rod replacement joints, whatever they are, and they were a little more than I wanted to pay. So I reached out to GAM Off-Road Solutions and they sent us some new knuckles and also some solid aluminum alloy radius rods. So these babies feel pretty solid. I'm pretty pumped to try these out. They're a lot beefier than the stock rods and they're solid where the stock rods are hollow. So should be able to take a lot more wear and tear the way I drive. They're pretty heavy. Haven't had any problems with the stock rods, but it don't hurt to prepare for the worst. So yeah, GAM Off-Road, guys, check them out. It's a lot more affordable way to get some radius aftermarket rods on your machine if you're not looking to spend $900 or $1,200 on rods. These bad boys just may do the trick. So if you just want to watch the channel, subscribe and I'll put a beating on them for you and see how they fare out. So the link will be in the description for those bad boys, and you can find them on Amazon and their home website too, GAM Off-Road Solutions. Actually it has a different name than that. I'll put it below. That's what I do. So yeah, I'm going to be taking a couple weeks off from riding. This thing is going to get the new rods, hopefully the Fox tune, give me a couple inches more clearance. What else do I need done to it? The knuckle joint put in. I bent a tie rod on the very first ride when it was brand new, and I never did replace it, although it looks pretty good. I just had it straightened and, well, sent it. So I may have that changed. I got a new one. I've had it the whole time, just never did put it on. Get an alignment done for a 1-year birthday, even though it's over a year old. Belated birthday. So yeah, we'll get a shot at how she's sitting right now. So yeah, I guess I'm kind of excited to get some work done to the old girl for once instead of just beating on it all the time. And let's see, today's Tuesday. Hopefully Sunday, this Sunday, I'll be in, I don't know, is it Kingston? Read the poster. I'll be there to DIRTFEST 2024, taking some videos of everybody just out ripping. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you at DIRTFEST. They call me a god. They call me a